Hey y'all, so today I'll be making some brookies using cookie mix and brownie mix. Then we're gonna crack BRB.
That's not what I meant, you barnacle head!
Eggs. Boom. Okay. Oil and water. 3 tablespoons. Okay, so after you got the eggs in, we're gonna put it in the water. Then pour some oil in here. Now you're gonna mix with the mixer or spoon or spatula, whatever knife, whatever you got in hand. So today I'll be using my spoon to fix this, and we're gonna be stirring around. So look, we're stirring. Look at this beautiful creation. She's all stirred up. Pouring, we're pouring. Part 2 is the brownies. Let's go. Okay, cookie mix in a bowl. Next part, butter and egg. Now we're gonna stir. Hey y'all, so today I'll be doing a little review over the Tarte Lip and Cheek Shift. Comes in many colors. I got it off the TikTok shop. And mine's in the shade Grape. So it goes on purple. Okay, but then it changes to a pink color. So it doesn't stay purple. And look. See, it's already a pink color. It's not really the thing. So I wiped off my blush that I had on earlier. Just so we could see. So excited. It said 1 dot. It's all you need. Don't just... I've seen it both ways though. So, I'm gonna get a mirror. I'm using my Casper mirror. I freaking love it. Okay, you ready?
Oh my god, what the fuck? Damn!
Oh my god!
Ooh. Okay, I like it. It's not very sticky, actually. It's not sticky at all, actually. Okay, and it is pigmented. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. What do you think? Can I swipe it? Okay, guys, what do we think? I think it's very...
You are now one of my elite employees.